Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close-up look at a tool that might just be the perfect fit if you're tired of CRMs that feel like they need a PhD to operate. We are diving into Bigin by Zoho CRM, a platform built specifically for small businesses and startups that want to get organized and close more deals without the complexity. The website boldly states it's for those who need a simple immune CRM to close deals faster and automate work. The first thing you'll notice is its focus on pipelines. You can create team pipelines and sub-pipelines to visually track everything from sales and marketing to customer onboarding and support. It gives you that crucial 360-degree view of your customer, centralizing interactions in one place. Bigin offers a very straightforward path to scale, starting with a completely free plan for a single user, which is perfect for solopreneurs just getting started, giving you a single pipeline, 500 records, and core features like contact management and basic automations. Stepping up to the Express plan at €7 per user per month, you unlock team pipelines, significantly more records, and crucial integrations like email and WhatsApp Business, making it ideal for a small collaborative team. The Premier plan at 12 adds more advanced tools like payment links and stage transition rules to streamline your sales process. Finally, the Bigin 360 plan at €18 offers the highest limits on everything from 15 team pipelines and 1 million records to advanced automation and even a pre-installed file cabinet, ensuring that as your business grows, Bigin's capabilities grow right along with you without any unexpected complexity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.